In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single leg stretch for your calf on a step. I'm going to be showing you both the beginner and the advanced variations of this. So first things first, a little bit of health and safety. It's really important that we get all the benefits of a really nice stretch, but no injuries, and we want to do this in the safest way possible. So what I want you to do, whether it's a step or a stair that you're using, is make sure that you've got at least one of your hands on a fixed object. So in this example, I'm going to be using the wall to make sure I don't lose my balance or any injuries occur when I do this stretch. So firstly, I'm going to be stretching my right soleus and calf in this stretch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back into a position where only my toes and the balls of my forefoot are in contact with the step on my right hand side. You'll notice again my hands, they're on the wall to make sure that I'm not going to lose my balance. From here, I drop down with my right heel. Now notice what happens with my left leg as well. The left knee comes forwards as I drop down with my heel on my right leg. If I wanted to make this harder and really intensify the stretch, what I could do is make that stretched leg, my right leg, the only leg that's in contact with the floor. So I can come into that exact same position. I can get this left leg out of the way, the leg that's not going to be working, and I could come down into the stretch. Now, I've got to make sure here, especially if you're using an exercise step, you don't want the step to flip over. So what we've got to do is make sure that doesn't happen, is that when you do that, you lean forwards at the same time. So you've got your center of gravity coming forwards, the stretch is coming back, and it'll be a nice, safe way how to do that stretch. So that's how you do a single leg calf or soleus stretch on an exercise step in the comfort of your own home.